Hello class 10. Let's learn about distance formula of coordinate geometry. The distance formula can be used to find the distance between any two points. Let us consider two points P and Q, whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Hence we can say that the distance PQ can be calculated using the distance formula. To do so, first let us draw the two axes, x-axis and y-axis, where O is the origin. Now, we will drop two perpendiculars from point P and Q on the x-axis at R and S. We will again drop another perpendicular from point P on QS at T. From point P, we can say that the length OR is equals to x1 and PR is equals to y1. Again, with the point Q, we can say that OS is equal to x2 and QS equals to y2. Since PT is a perpendicular on QS, therefore we can say that PR and TS are equal. Hence, the length of TS is also y1. We can see from the diagram, since angle TTQ is a 90-degree angle, therefore triangle PQT is a right angle triangle. If we can find out the length of PT and QT, then clearly we can find out the length of PQ using the Pythagoras theorem. So, let us find out the length of PT. PT can be written as OS minus OR because the length OS minus OR is PT, that is equals to RS right here. Therefore, we can say from the above values x2 minus x1. Again, QT can also be calculated as QS minus TS. This is QS minus TS will be QT. Let's put the values and it will come out as y2 minus y1. Now using the Pythagoras theorem, we can say PQ square is equals to PT square plus QT square. If we put the values, therefore we can see that PQ square is equal to, using PT, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Hence we can say PQ is equals to root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is the distance formula. Let us go through an example to find out the distance between point P minus 1, 3 and Q minus 5, 7. Here we will take point P as x1, y1 and Q as x2, y2. Let us use the distance formula here. So, the distance formula is root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We can also rewrite it as root over of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. We can write this because this total value will be squared. Therefore, if we use x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1, we will get the same positive value. Next, let us put the values from the 2 points. x2 is minus 5 minus x1, that is minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 7 minus y1 3 whole square. Let us calculate and we'll get the value as root over of minus 4 whole square plus 4 square, which is root over of 32. Hence we can say that the distance is 4 root 2 units. Let's take a special case where we can find out the distance between PXY and the origin. The coordinate of the origin being 0, 0. So we will use the distance formula for it. In this case, let us consider x1, y1 as 0, 0 and x2, y2 as x, y. If you put the following values over here, then we can finally solve it to root over of x square plus y square. This is the general formula for finding out the distance between a point from the origin. Let's go through an example where we can find out the distance between the point 2, 3 and the origin. So we'll use the same formula, root over of x square plus y square. Simply put the values and then we will get the answer as root 13 unit. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Hope it was useful and you could understand the concept better. Thank you. Bye bye.